Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to see 150 MCQs on sericulture only. This MCQ will be most helpful for your exam preparations such as IBPS AFO, NABARD, ICAR JRF, NSC, MCAER and other PG entrances. So friends, here is question number 1. White root rot of mulberry is caused by? Option D is the correct answer, Rosalina negatrix. Rosalina negatrix is a soil-borne root fungal pathogen which cause white root rot disease in mulberry. Question number 2. Acidium mori is responsible for the infection of dash. And the correct answer is leaf rust. Mulberry leaf rust caused by Acidium mori is the most destructive disease of mulberry in nurseries, which scientific name is Morus species. Question number 3. Dusting of sulfur is a measure suggested for the control of which mulberry disease? And the correct answer is powdery mildew. Dusting of sulfur is a measure suggested for powdery mildew in mulberry. Question number 4. Appearance of root knots in mulberry is due to? And the correct answer is nematodes. Appearance of root knots in mulberry is due to nematodes. Question number 5. Marginal scorching and tip burning is a characteristic deficiency symptom of? And the correct answer is potassium. Marginal scorching and tip burning is a characteristic deficiency symptom of potassium. Question number 6. Stem turning woody and short is due to the deficiency of? Correct answer is calcium. Stem turning woody and short is due to the deficiency of calcium. Question number 7. The average number of eggs laid by the multivoltine female moth is? Correct answer is 400. The average number of eggs laid by the multivoltine female moth is 400. Question number 8. In total cost of silk production, the percentage cost of mulberry leaf is? And the correct answer is 60%. In total cost of silk production, the percent of mulberry leaf is 60%. Question number 9. Highest chromosomal number is seen in? Correct answer is Morus nigra. Morus nigra is known for its large number of chromosomes, which is 2n equals to 308. Question number 10. The larval reproductive markings present in female silkworm is? And the correct answer is Ischiwata's gland. Here in the picture you can see the first one. In the ruptured larva of female silkworm, one pair of Ischiwata's foregland and a pair of Ischiwata's hind glands are present at the ventral side of 8th and 9th abdominal segments respectively. And in the second one, the male larva possesses a single small median white gland called Herold glands. Question number 11. Jaundice disease in silkworm is also called? And the correct answer is grasserie. The nuclear polyhydrosis of silkworm is commonly known as grasserie disease, also known as milky disease, hanging disease, fatty degeneration disease or jaundice. Question number 12. The surface layer of cocoon is also called? And the correct answer is floss. The surface layer of cocoon is called as floss. Question number 13. The total molting time required as different instars of the silkworm is? And the correct answer is 15 to 30 hours. The total molting time required as different instars of silkworm is 15 to 30 hours. Question number 14. The excretory product of silkworm is? Correct answer is uric acid. The excretory product of silkworm is uric acid. Question number 15. Black scars are found on silkworms infested with, and the correct answer is oozy fly. Presence of eggs or black scar on the silkworm body and maggot emergence hole at the tip of the cocoon are the typical symptoms of oozy fly attack. As soon as the oozy fly enters into rearing house, it lays 1 or 2 eggs on each silkworm larva. Question number 16. Temperate climate is suitable for the rearing of these silkworms. Option A is the correct answer. Univoltine. Temperate climate is suitable for univoltine silkworms. Question number 17. The purpose of cocoon stifling is, correct answer is to kill pupae. Stifling treatments are applied to silk cocoons in order to kill the pupae, preventing the emergence of moths and allowing to preserve the silk during long periods of time. All of them involve the application of aggressive steps such as sun exposure, hot steam from boiling water or hot air during hours or even days. Question number 18. The average number of eggs in a DFL is, and the correct answer is 450 to 500. Here DFL denotes disease-free laying. Eggs laid by a single mother moth microscopically tested for having no trans-ovarian diseases are termed as a disease-free laying. Question number 19. Application of calcium ammonium nitrate or CAN to mulberry is found beneficial in, option D is the correct answer, acidic soil. Application of calcium ammonium nitrate to mulberry is found beneficial in acidic soil. Question number 20. Application of green manure and vermicompost to mulberry garden increases, option D is the correct answer, all of these. Application of green manure and vermicompost to mulberry garden increases water holding capacity, organic matter content of the soil, and also infiltration rate. Question number 21. The variety which is best for chalky rearing is, option B is the correct answer, S36. S36 variety of mulberry belongs to M. indica, developed as CSR-TI, Mysore, and recommended during 1984. Evolved from Birampur local by EMS chemical mutagenesis. Cultivated in southern India. It is most suitable to young age silkworm rearing. Question number 22. Leaf preservation is necessary for, option C is the correct answer, to maintain freshness of the leaf. Leaf preservation is necessary to maintain freshness of the leaf. Question number 23. The whole shoot harvest is very common in, option C is the correct answer, intensive cultivation. The whole shoot harvest is very common in intensive cultivation. Question number 24. The state in India which is most suitable for rearing univoltine silkworm is, option D is the correct answer, Jammu and Kashmir. The state in India which is most suitable for rearing of univoltine silkworm is Jammu and Kashmir. Question number 25. Silkworm males are, option C is the correct answer, homogametic. In silkworm, the female is the heterogametic sex and has one Z and one W chromosome, whereas the male is homogametic which has two Z chromosomes. Question number 26. In silkworm, ecdysone hormone is responsible for, option D is the correct answer, molting. In silkworm, ecdysone hormone is responsible for molting. Question number 27. The mouth parts of silkworm is type of, and the correct answer is mandibulate type. The mouth parts of silkworm is type of mandibulate type. Question number 28. The mulberry silk can be reeled through, and the correct answer is all of these. That means the mulberry silk can be reeled through charka, cottage basin and filature. Question number 29. The silkworm respirates through, and the correct answer is tracheae. The silkworm respirates through tracheae. Question number 30. Diapause in Bombyx mori is caused by, option D is the correct answer, hormone. Diapause hormone or DH is a neuropeptide hormone which is secreted from the subesophageal ganglion or SG and is responsible for induction of embryonic diapause of the silkworm Bombyx mori. Question number 31. The nature or type of chromosome in silkworm is, option B is the correct answer, metacentric. The nature or type of chromosome in silkworm is metacentric. Question number 32. Twin number of chromosomes in silkworm is, and the correct answer is 56. Twin number of chromosome in silkworm is 2n equals to 56. Question number 33. The chromosome which play a decisive role in determination of sex in Bombyx mori is, option D is the correct answer, W chromosome. In silkworm, the female is the heterogametic sex and has one Z and one W chromosome, whereas the male is homogametic which has two Z chromosomes. That's why W chromosome of female silkworm determines the sex of offsprings. Question number 34. The silk glands are derived from, and the correct answer is ectoderm. The silk glands are derived from ectoderm. The silk glands are mainly ectodermal in origin. Question number 35. The major nitrogenous excretory product in silkworm is, and the correct answer is uric acid. The major nitrogenous excretory product in silkworm is uric acid. Question number 36. Rendita is the quantity of cocoons in kg required for 1 kg of silk. Question number 37. Which of the following is required for hybridization in mulberry plants? And the correct answer is emasculation. Emasculation is required for hybridization in mulberry plants. Question number 38. Denier denotes, and the correct answer is thickness of the silk filament. Denier denotes thickness of the silk filaments. Question number 39. The all-round development of silk industry in India is in charge of, and the correct answer is Central Silk Board or CSB. Central Silk Board or CSB is a statutory body established in 1948 by an Act of Parliament having headquarters at Bangalore. It is working under the administrative control of Ministry of Textiles, Government of India. Question number 40. The lineals or crescents in silkworm are located on the dash abdominal segment. Option A is the correct answer, second. The normal silkworm larva is furnished with a pair of large crescent marking on the second abdominal segment and a pair of small star marking on the fifth segment. Question number 41. The appropriate chemical disinfectant used to disinfect rearing appliances in open condition is, and the correct answer is bleaching powder. Question number 42. Frequency of feeding of silkworm depends on, and the correct answer is all of these. That means frequency of feeding of silkworm depends on season of rearing, method of feeding and also method of rearing. Question number 43. Double cocoon formation is largely due to, and the correct answer is high density of mounting. Double cocoon formation is largely due to high density of mounting. Question number 44. The discus in Bombyx mori caused by non-occluded virus is, and the correct answer is infectious Thackeray. Bombyx mori densonucleosis virus type 1 or BMDNV1, a non-occluded virus, causes Thackeray disease in the susceptible stalks of the Bombyx mori. Question number 45. The variety of mulberry evolved through mutation using EMS is, and the correct answer is S36. S36 variety of mulberry belongs to M. indica, developed at CSRTI Mysore and recommended during 1984. Evolved from Berhampur local by EMS chemical mutagenesis and cultivated in southern India. It is most suitable to young age silkworm rearing, also called as chalky silkworms. Question number 46. The inheritance of cocoon weight is controlled. Option B is the correct answer, polygenically. The inheritance of cocoon weight is controlled polygenically. Question number 47. The most effective method of selection in early phases of line separation breeding in silkworm is, option D is the correct answer, pure line selection. The most effective method of selection in early phases of line separation breeding in silkworm is pure line selection. Question number 48. Autosexing in silkworm is achieved through, option B is the correct answer, translocation. Autosexing in silkworm is achieved through translocation. Question number 49. The method of breeding that has contributed for increasing silk productivity is, option D is the correct answer, heterosis breeding. The method of breeding that has contributed for increasing silk productivity is heterosis breeding. Question number 50. The industrial silkworm is usually, option D is the correct answer, hybrid. The industrial silkworm is usually hybrid. Question number 51. Cocoon cooking and reeling is performed in the same basin in, option D is the correct answer, country charka. Cocoon cooking and reeling is performed in the same basin in country charka. Question number 52. The number of reeling ends per basin in multi-end reeling machine is, and the correct answer is 8 to 10. The number of reeling ends per basin in multi-end reeling machine is 8 to 10. Question number 53. In India, temperate sericulture is in, and the correct answer is Jammu and Kashmir. In India, temperate sericulture is in Jammu and Kashmir. Question number 54. Silkworm Seed Technology Laboratory is located at, and the correct answer is Bangalore. Silkworm Seed Technology Laboratory is located at Bangalore. Question number 55. India exports, and the correct answer is finished fabric. India exports finished fabrics. Question number 56. Transovarially transmitted disease of silkworm is, and the correct answer is pebrine. Transovarially transmitted disease of silkworm is pebrine. Transfer of infestation from mother moth through eggs called transovarial contamination. Nosema parasite invades all the tissue of the body of the embryo larva, pupa and moth. The disease is mechanically inherited to the offsprings from infected mother moth through the eggs. Question number 57. The non-soluble silk protein is, and the correct answer is fibroin. The non-soluble silk protein is fibroin. Fibroin is an insoluble protein present in silk produced by numerous insects such as the larva of Bombyx mori. Question number 58. White muscardine disease is severe during, and the correct answer is winter. Beauveria bassiana is one of the most destructive fungal pathogen of silkworm Bombyx mori, causing white muscardine disease, which is common in all sericulture zones of the world. The fungal disease is severe during winter season. Question number 59. Tensile strength of raw silk is tested using, and the correct answer is serigraph. Tensile strength of raw silk is tested during serigraph. Question number 60. Loose eggs are preferred because of, and the correct answer is quantification and high fertility. Loose eggs are preferred because of quantification and high fertility. Question number 61. Tensile strength of raw silk is tested using, and the correct answer is serigraph. Tensile strength of raw silk is tested using serigraph. Question number 62. Cambon crosses system is followed in, and the correct answer is charka. The intertwining or crossing of two threads is made by twisting the threads in a series of spirals during its passage from the threader to the reel. This mechanism is called as croiser. Question number 63. Evenness of raw silk is the prime objective of reeling in, and the correct answer is automatic reeling machine. Evenness of raw silk is the prime objective of reeling in automatic reeling machine. Question number 64. The optimum space between the spiral in a skein is, and the correct answer is 5 cm. The optimum space between the spiral in a skein is 5 cm. Question number 65. Chromosomal formula for female silkworm is, and the correct answer is ZW. Chromosomal formula for female silkworm is ZW. Question number 66. Rendita for crossbreed silkworm is, and the correct answer is 9. Rendita for crossbreed silkworm is 9. Rendita is the quantity of cocoons in kg required for 1 kg of silk. Question number 67. Meloidogyne species infects at stage, and the correct answer is option B, second stage juvenile. Thus, root knot nematode Meloidogyne incognita was first found highly pathogenic to mulberry plants and caused significant damage to the plant growth, development and leaf yield in different mulberry varieties. The second juvenile stage is infective for mulberry of this nematode. Question number 68. The key amino acid for silk synthesis is, and the correct answer is glycine. Glycine is known to be the major constituent amino acid of the silk fibroin of Bombyx mori and is actively synthesized in the silkworm. Question number 69. Biting action in silkworm towards mulberry leaves is triggered due to the presence of, and the correct answer is morin. Biting action in silkworm towards mulberry leaves is triggered due to the presence of morin. Question number 70. Early detection of silkworm pathogens can be done by, and the correct answer is both A and B. That means early detection of silkworm pathogens can be done by ELISA test and mother moth examination. Question number 71. To minimize size deviation in raw silk, the denier of cocoon filament should be, and the correct answer is option A, 3. To minimize size deviation in raw silk, the denier of cocoon filament should be 3. Question number 72. White muscadine appears at a humidity of, and the correct answer is option D, 80 to 90%. White muscadine appears at a humidity of 80 to 90%. Question number 73. Per hectare employment generation in sericulture is, and the correct answer is 4,000 man days. Per hectare employment generation in sericulture is 4,000 man days. Question number 74. The second largest organ in silkworm is, and the correct answer is silk gland. The silk gland is the second largest organ in the silkworm body. It develops from the paired invagination in the labial segments. It occupies most of the ventrolateral side of the body. This is a pair of tubular glands 25 to 40 cm in length and homologous gland to the salivary glands of the other insects. There are a pair of silk glands which are transformed labial glands. They are derived from invagination of labial ectoderm. Question number 75. The defective cocoons can be reeled by, and the correct answer is option A, charka. The defective cocoons can be reeled by charka. Question number 76. Per day silk production in a cottage basin is, and the correct answer is option B, 800 grams. Per day silk production in a cottage basin is 800 grams. Question number 77. Hopper burn is a typical symptom of in mulberry by, and the correct answer is option A, Empuasca flavescens. Green leaf hopper Empuasca flavescens produce hopper burn symptom in mulberry. Question number 78. The powdery mildew disease of mulberry is more prevalent in, and the correct answer is closely planted gardens. The powdery mildew disease of mulberry is more prevalent in closely planted gardens. Question number 79. The dumbbell-shaped cocoon is a characteristic trait of dash silkworms, and the correct answer is Japanese rhesus. The dumbbell-shaped cocoons is a characteristic trait of Japanese rhesus silkworms. Question number 80. 1 kg of seed cocoons of Bombyx mori, about 600 numbers, can yield approximately, and the correct answer is 200 DFLs. Question number 81. Beauveria bassiana causes, and the correct answer is white muscadine. Beauveria bassiana causes white muscadine. Question number 82. The latest varied scientific name of mulberry silkworm oozifly is, and the correct answer is option B, Exodista bombycis. The latest varied scientific name of mulberry silkworm oozifly is Exodista bombycis. Question number 83. In shoot feeding method of silkworm rearing, leaf can be saved up to, and the correct answer is option B, 20 to 30%. In shoot feeding method of silkworm rearing, leaf can be saved up to 20 to 30%. Question number 84. Mulberry variety with succulent, glossy and leathery leaves is, and the correct answer is option B, Victory 1. Mulberry variety with succulent, glossy and leathery leaves is Victory 1. Question number 85. Sanitec is an ideal general disinfectant containing, and the correct answer is option C, chlorine dioxide. Sanitec is an ideal general disinfectant containing chlorine dioxide. Question number 86. Skeletonization of mulberry leaf is a characteristic symptom of, correct answer is option C, Early age caterpillars of Spilosoma obliqua. Question number 87. Though the incidence of oozy fly on silkworms is noticed throughout the year, but its incidence is maximum during, correct answer is option C, rainy months. Question number 88. The oval-shaped cocoon is a characteristic feature of dash silkworms, and the correct answer is option D, Chinese breeds. The oval-shaped cocoons is a characteristic feature of Chinese breeds silkworms. Question number 89. Cocoon riddling is a process in which the cocoons are separated according to, and the correct answer is option D, cocoon size. Cocoon riddling is a process in which the cocoons are separated according to cocoon size. Question number 90. The protein content in the raw or fresh pupae of Bombyx mori is, and the correct answer is option D, 79%. The protein content in the raw or fresh pupae of Bombyx mori is 79%. Question number 91. The V1 variety of mulberry is developed or evolved by, and the correct answer is option C, CSRTI Mysore. Mulberry V1 variety developed by Central Sericultural Research and Training Institute, Mysore. Recommended during 1996 for assured irrigated conditions. Question number 92. The quality of the silk yarn of CSR hybrids is, correct answer is option A, 2A 3A grade. The quality of the silk yarn of CSR hybrids is 2A and 3A grade. Question number 93. The Kenchu disease of silkworm is generally common during, and the correct answer is option A, summer months. Kenchu disease of silkworm caused by Kenchu virus. In infection, worms appear pale and dull, and worms display very large head. After death, body shows brownish patches. Infected larvae produces flimsy cocoons. Question number 94. The yellow muscadine disease of silkworm is caused by, and the correct answer is option C, Escherichia fumosorosia. Yellow muscadine is caused by Bacillomyces farinosa. In infection, silkworm body is covered with yellow mycelia. Question number 95. The favorable factors for brown muscadine disease of silkworms are, and the correct answer is high temperature and high humidity. The favorable factors for brown muscadine disease of silkworms are high temperature and high humidity. Question number 96. The recommended quantity of FYM or compost for irrigated mulberry garden per hectare per year is, and the correct answer is option B, 20 metric ton. The recommended quantity of FYM or compost for irrigated mulberry garden per hectare per year is 20 metric ton. Question number 97. The scientific name of leaf roller pest of mulberry is, and the correct answer is option A, Diaphania pulverulentalis. The scientific name of leaf roller pest of mulberry is Diaphania pulverulentalis. Question number 98. The sex-limited CSR hybrid is, and the correct answer is option D, CSR 18 into CSR 19. The sex-limited CSR hybrid is CSR 18 crossing with CSR 19. Question number 99. The optimum light required for healthy silkworm growth and development is, correct answer is option C, 20 to 30 lux. The optimum light required for healthy silkworm growth and development is 20 to 30 lux. Question number 100. The circumference of the standard re-reel is, and the correct answer is option C, 1.5 meter. The circumference of the standard re-reel is 1.5 meter. Question number 101. The standard Bombyx mori loose egg pack contains, option B is the correct answer, 20,000 eggs. The standard Bombyx mori loose egg pack contains 20,000 eggs. Question number 102. Morin is present in, correct answer is mulberry. Morin is present in mulberry. Question number 103. Tukra disease in mulberry is caused by, and the correct answer is option A, Mcqs hirsutus. Tukra disease in mulberry is caused by mealybug, which scientific name is Mcqs hirsutus, and is considered as the most serious pest of mulberry. The pest sucks the sap from the tender leaves and shoots, which results in the malformation of apical shoot. Question number 104. Mcqs bombycina is the food plant of, and the correct answer is option B, Muga silkworm. Mcqs bombycina is the food plant of Muga silkworm. Question number 106. Ideal magnification required for the identification of pebrine spore is, correct answer is option D, 600x. Ideal magnification required for the identification of pebrine spore is 600x. Question number 107. Transfer of newly hatched larvae from egg sheet to the rearing tray is known as, and the correct answer is option D, brushing. Transfer of newly hatched larvae from egg sheet to rearing tray is known as brushing. Question number 108. Surface sterilization of DFLs means, and the correct answer is option A, treating the silkworm eggs with formalin. Surface sterilization of DFLs means treating the silkworm eggs with formalin. Question number 109. Mother moth examination is done to identify, correct answer is option B, pebrine diseases. Mother moth examination is done to identify pebrine diseases. Question number 110. The Muga silkworm belongs to the genus, and the correct answer is option A, Antheria. The Muga silkworm belongs to the genus Antheria. Question number 111. Under natural conditions, the univoltine races produce, and the correct answer is option C, one generation per annum. Under natural conditions, the univoltine races produce one generation per annum. Question number 112. The process of killing the pupae before metamorphosis is called, option A is the correct answer, stifling. The process of killing the pupae before metamorphosis is called stifling. Question number 113. Grainage is a, and the correct answer is option A, silkworm seed production center. Grainage is a silkworm seed production center. Question number 114. Core protein in silk filament is, and the correct answer is option D, fibroin. Core protein in silk filament is fibroin. Question number 115. Cocoons spun by two silkworms are known as, and the correct answer is option D, double cocoons. Cocoons spun by two silkworms are known as double cocoons. Question number 116. Causal organism of white muscadine in silkworm Bombyx mori is, and the correct answer is option D, Beauveria bassiana. Causal organism of white muscadine in silkworm Bombyx mori is Beauveria bassiana. Question number 117. Soto disease caused by, and the correct answer is option B, Bacillus thuringiensis. Soto disease in mulberry is caused by Bacillus thuringiensis. The bacteria produces toxin which kills the worms. Infection occurs orally or through wounds. Question number 118. The head office of Central Silk Board is located in, and the correct answer is option C, Bangalore. The head office of Central Silk Board is located in Bangalore. Question number 119. Hormone produced by corpus allatum in silkworm is, and the correct answer is option A, juvenile hormone. Hormone produced by corpus allatum in silkworm is juvenile hormone. Question number 120. Chalky rearing means, and the correct answer is option C, young age silkworm rearing. Chalky rearing means rearing of first two stages of silkworms, that is, instar first and instar second. Understand control climatic conditions. Question number 121. Indigenous Hymenopterus ectopupal parasitoid used to kill the oozy pupa is, and the correct answer is option A, Nasolix thymus. Nasolix thymus is an ectopupal parasitoid of oozy fly. About 40 to 60 parasitoids develop on each oozy fly pupa. Question number 122. Optimum temperature for spinning of cocoon is, and the correct answer is option D, 24 degrees Celsius. Optimum temperature of spinning of cocoon is 24 degrees Celsius. Question number 123. Cocoon riddling means separation of cocoons according to their, option A is the correct answer, size. Cocoon riddling means separation of cocoons according to their size. Question number 124. Dash are also known as scaffold pressed cocoons, and the correct answer is option B, printed cocoons. Printed cocoons are defective cocoons. This defect may happen due to improper mounting frames. These are also called as scaffold pressed cocoons. Question number 125. The female silkworm larvae can be identified by the presence of, and the correct answer is option C, Eschewaters glands. Eschewaters glands present in female silkworm, while Herold's glands present in male silkworms. Question number 126. To overcome hibernation, silkworm eggs are treated with, and the correct answer is option C, HCl. To overcome hibernation, silkworm eggs are treated with HCl or hydrochloric acid. Question number 127. Nuclear polyhedrosis in silkworm is commonly known as, option A is the correct answer, grassery. Grassery is a destructive polyhedrosis disease of silkworm that is related to wilt and is marked by spotty yellowing of the skin and internal liquefaction. Question number 128. Number of units of cocoons required to produce 1 unit of silk is known as, option A is the correct answer, rendita. Number of units of cocoons required to produce 1 unit of silk is known as rendita. Question number 129. Which of the following is defective cocoon? And the correct answer is option D, all of these. The defective cocoons are all of these, that means pierced cocoons, flimsy cocoons and printed cocoons. Question number 130. Chalky silkworm should be fed with, and the correct answer is option B, tender leaf. Chalky silkworm should be fed with tender leaf. Question number 131. The Central Silk Board, Bangalore, established in the year, option A is the correct answer, 1948. The Central Silk Board, Bangalore, established in the year 1948. Question number 132. Denier is, Option A is the correct answer. Thickness of the silk filament. Denier is thickness of the silk filament. Question number 133. Hemocytes involved in. Option C is the correct answer. Defense. Hemocytes involved in defense. Question number 134. Fine quality of the silk can be obtained from, and the correct answer is option C, bivoltine cocoons. Fine quality of the silk can be obtained from bivoltine cocoons. Question number 135. Which silk is known as Ahimsa silk? And the correct answer is option C, Eri silk. Eri silk is known as Ahimsa silk. Question number 136. Antwells are used during rearing to prevent the menace of, and the correct answer is option D, ants. Antwells are used during rearing to prevent the menace of ants. Question number 137. Name of the country the biggest consumer of raw silk and silk fabrics. Option B is the correct answer, India. India is the biggest consumer of raw silk and silk fabrics. Question number 138. India is monopoly in the production of which silk? Option B is the correct answer, Muga silk. India is monopoly in the production of Muga silk. Question number 139. Carica papaya or papaya plant can be used as host plant for which silkworm? Option A is the correct answer, Eri silkworm. Papaya plant can be used as host plant for Eri silkworm. Question number 140. Mummified larva is a characteristic symptom produced in which disease? Option C is the correct answer, muscardine. Mummified larva is a characteristic symptom produced in muscardine disease. Question number 141. Paper-like spots on silkworm is a characteristic symptom produced in which disease? Option A is the correct answer, pebrine. Paper-like spots on silkworm is a characteristic symptom produced in pebrine disease. Question number 142. White hemolymph is seen as a characteristic symptom produced in which disease? Option D is the correct answer, Grassery. White hemolymph is seen as a characteristic symptom in Grassery disease. Question number 143. Central Muga Research Institute situated in dash. Option A is the correct answer, Jorhat, Assam. Central Muga Research Institute situated in Jorhat, Assam. Question number 144. Herold's gland present in. Option A is the correct answer, male moth larva. Herold's gland present in male moth larva. Question number 145. Ishiwata's gland present in. Option B is the correct answer, female moth larva. Ishiwata's gland present in female moth larva. Question number 146. Molting fluid is secreted by dash. Option C is the correct answer, Verson's gland. Molting fluid is secreted by Verson's gland. Question number 147. Disease caused in mulberry by Helicobacterium mompa is dash. Option A is the correct answer, violet root rot. Disease caused by mulberry by Helicobacterium mompa is violet root rot. Question number 148. Croiser is related to. Option B is the correct answer, twist generation. Croiser is related to twist generation. Question number 149. Water trap used to control. Option B is the correct answer, water beetle. Water trap used to control water beetle. Question number 150. National check variety of mulberry is. Option B is the correct answer, S1635. National check variety of mulberry is S1635. Question number 151. Thermotolerant variety of mulberry is. Option D is the correct answer. CSR 18. Thermotolerant variety of mulberry is CSR 18. Thank you friends for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel for more updates.